Hey there, welcome back to another video. So today we are taking a look at the Talosbo Pleco SE robotic pool cleaner, a powerful and cordless cleaning solution made to keep your pool crystal clear with almost zero effort. Before we dive into the review, I want to mention that this unit was sent to me by Talosbo for testing and review, and this is a paid collaboration. But like always, this will be 100% honest and unbiased review based solely on how it performs when I first tested it. So let's jump right into it and discover everything about this pool cleaner. Straight out of the box, everything is packaged nicely and very straightforward. You get the Pleco SE cleaner itself, a magnetic fast charger, a retrieval hook, a user manual. Everything is laid out in a clean and secure way, and the build quality immediately feels solid and premium for its size, as you can see. No application control, and you just need to switch the button and put the robot in water, and that's pretty much it. The dual drive motors combined with two independent bottom brushes give this robot some seriously effective cleaning power. Whether it's sand, insects, or small leaves, it picks everything up and leaves the floor of your pool spotless. And as you can see, my pool is already cleaned, but there is always some small debris on the bottom of the pool, so that's where I'm going to test this robot and see if it picks up the finest and small pieces of debris to see its efficiency when it comes to cleaning effectively. And it definitely did a great job, which I wasn't expecting, and there is some debris that I couldn't even see with my own eyes, but this pool cleaner surprisingly was able to pick it up, and I was really surprised. I wasn't expecting to see anything because the pool looks really clean, but once I picked up the pool cleaner, I was surprised to see all the small pieces and debris and broken cup and everything like this in this plastic, as you can see, which is really interesting. So this is definitely a complete game changer for anyone who wants an effortless pool maintenance solution. And here is what impressed me even more: the upgraded battery. It gives you over 120 minutes of continuous runtime and only takes 2.5 hours to charge, which is really impressive. Plus you have 5 LED indicators on top to keep an eye on your battery level and the cleaning status in real time. And I fully charged this pool cleaner before I put it in the water, and after cleaning for about 45 minutes to 50 minutes, only one blue light turned off, which means I have 3 or 4 more to go. That is really a great sign that shows that the battery could hold for more than 120 minutes. It's also completely cordless, which makes it so easy to deal with. No hoses, no tangled mess, just drop it and let it work. The design is smart too. It uses minimal energy for movement and puts the power where it matters most, the actual cleaning. Another smart feature is the self-parking function. When the battery runs low, it navigates itself to the edge of the pool, so you can easily pull it out using the included hook without getting your hands wet. Now let's talk about the price, because honestly this is where the Pleco SE really impresses. For the level of cleaning power it offers, the smart features, and the overall ease of use, I haven't seen any other robotic pool cleaner this affordable. It's seriously budget friendly and undercuts a lot of those bulky high-end models that cost way more than this. So if you have been hesitating to get a robotic cleaner because of price, this is your best bet without compromising on performance, as you can see. So whether you are dealing with an above ground or in-ground pool, whether you are looking for daily maintenance or something to handle post-storm cleanup, the Talosbo Pleco SE delivers powerful, smart, and affordable cleaning without the hassle. That's pretty much everything I have for you today about this amazing pool cleaner. Thank you for watching, and I hope this review helped you a lot decide if the Talosbo Pleco SE robotic pool cleaner is the right choice for you. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any future videos, and I will leave a link in the description for your convenience in case you want to grab one and take advantage of all the great features that it has to offer and get your pool ready for the summer. See you in the next video. Peace.